Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we'll be taking a drive all the way from GRA to Peace Garden Estate. Just in case you've been hearing about Peace Garden Estate here in the city of Enugu, but you don't know how to get to the property, so this video helps you know the best routes to get to Peace Garden Estate. So this video started from GRA, then from GRA we passed through Enugu Onitsha Expressway, then we passed through Golf Annex Estate, and then from Golf Annex Estate we now get to Peace Garden Estate. So Peace Garden Estate is strategically located adjacent Golf Annex Estate, and it is also very close to Trans Ekulu Extension Phase. So this property is basically for investors who want a land where they can buy and then build in a few years, or investors who are looking for basically for land investment. So property that you can just buy here in the city of Enugu and then wait for appreciation so that you can get return on your investment. It is also for people who want to build legacy. So if you are an investor, you want to buy property that you can pass to the next generation, I'm talking about your children, then Peace Garden Estate is that property for you. Peace Garden Estate is currently selling on a pre-sale price of 20 million naira, but the actual price is 25 million naira, and each plot in this estate measures 500 square meter. It comes with a registered deed and a registered survey. What does that mean? It simply means that the property is fully registered, it is free from government interest, and it's also free from any form of dispute or litigation. So if you're an investor looking for a genuine property here in the city of Enugu, Peace Garden Estate is that property that you buy and you know that you are getting peace of mind and also security. So by the end of this video, I included the video, a drone view of Peace Garden Estate, so that you get to see everything that you need about the estate, the shape, the topography, the size, and everything. And also I included the details about the property. And just while you are watching this video, if you want to make any inquiry about the property or you want to get more information about the property, you can always reach out to me and I'll be willing to respond to your call. So I hope you enjoy this video, and then if you enjoy it, please remember to subscribe and also like this video, and as well share it with someone who you know that will be in need of this video. So this video helps you get to Peace Garden and then know where Peace Garden is situated, just in case you've not been to Peace Garden Estate. Alright, just stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the video.